Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Analytics for monetization tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Analytics for monetization tracking, start by navigating to the Google Analytics website. If you do not already have a Google account, create one by clicking on the Start for Free button. Once you have your account, sign in using your Google credentials. On the main dashboard, click on the Start Measuring button to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to enter your account name. Choose a name that clearly identifies your business or website. Next, you need to set up a property. This is where you will track the performance of your website or app. Enter a name for the property and select your reporting time zone and currency. Click on the Next button to move to the next step. Now, you will be asked to provide some business information. Select your industry category and choose the size of your business. Once you have filled in this information, click on Create. You will be presented with the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Read through the terms and accept if you agree. After accepting the terms, you will receive a tracking ID and a code snippet. To start tracking your website, you need to add this tracking code to your website's HTML. If you are using a website builder like WordPress, there are plugins available to make this process easier. Once the code is implemented, return to your Google Analytics dashboard. Click on Real-Time in the left sidebar to confirm that data is being captured. You should see active users in real time on your site. Next, set up goals for monetization tracking. Click on the Admin tab at the bottom left of the dashboard. Under the View column, select Goals. Set up new goals by clicking on the plus New Goal button. Choose the goal type that aligns with your monetization strategy, like Destination for tracking landing pages. Follow the prompts to complete the goal setup. For enhanced tracking, consider setting up e-commerce tracking if applicable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.